Hey, what's up everybody? Today we want to talk to the basketball players that are in season. We want to prioritize, when we think about buckets of activity, we're getting plenty of cardio, getting plenty of volume, getting plenty of jumping. Today we want to prioritize isometrics for overall tendon health and flexibility, as both will keep you with a reduced injury. For the first exercise, we're going to prioritize the quad and patellar tendon. So I'm going to go into a split stance position. My back leg is going to go against the wall, and I'm going to bend into a range that I can tolerate. We want about a 7 out of 10 burn on your front leg. Sit in your bottom back, chest proud, hold 20 to 30 seconds. So for the next isometric, we're going to hone in on the calf and the Achilles tendon specifically. With the basketball play, there's a lot of running, jumping, there's a lot of foot contacts with the ground. So we want to make sure that we do our due diligence to reduce the likelihood of injury to our Achilles tendon. So for this next isometric, you're going to put your hands on the wall. You want to get to a position where you are leaning into the wall. My heel is coming off of the ground, and I'm just going to push into the wall and push through my leg. For this, you're going to feel a little tension on the calf, maybe some on the bottom of the foot. Again, we're aiming for no more than a 7 out of 10 as far as the intensity of this exercise. So we know the game of basketball is not all about moving forward and backwards. There's some side-to-side movement. So this next isometric, again, is honing in on the calf and the Achilles, but now we're just taking it to a different position. So you're going to take an arm and shoulder and put it into the wall, and you're going to push with your side of your foot into the wall. Again, you're holding for a 20 to 30 second count. So for the next isometric in our series, we're going to prioritize the hamstrings. There can, as the season goes on, there can be more increased risk for having a hamstring strain or overstretching your hamstring muscle. So exercise that we want to do is we want to bring both of our feet. You're going to come up, bring your bottom off of the floor, and you're going to hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Now, if this is something that you're not feeling necessarily the 7 out of 10 or the real intense challenge that we want with this exercise, you can take one leg up and just hold one leg, where I'm going to give more priority to one leg versus the other. We take this option, 20 to 30 seconds, again, is a good challenge for you. And so this is a great exercise that is going to, again, give some load and some attention to your hamstrings, specifically where they insert onto your bones, so that you have less risk for having either hamstring strain or hamstring tear during activity. So just a reminder, those of you that are in season in basketball play right now, this is a time where we want to prioritize flexibility and injury risk reduction. Off season, we have plenty of time to work on plyometrics, working on landing mechanics, takeoff mechanics. This is a part we want to just continue to reduce our risk for injury. And we can do that by maintaining flexibility and performing isometrics where your muscles are active without having the demand that you see on a day-to-day basis with the basketball play.